Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have a little bit different project. Whoops, don't want that. But there will be paint, I hope, because I'm using this, I don't know, 3 centimeters on each deep inch deep wooden board, and I want to do reverse flower dip on this, but I want to stay my wood behind just wood, so I don't want any color on it. That's why I will pour only my acrylic binder here on the surface, and I will use this instead of my white base or black or whatever you use. It dries clear and shiny, so I hope that I will get some nice result out of it. I don't know, this is my first try. That's why I can't tell you how it turns out. I don't know, maybe I will edit this video and show you dry result too. I don't know, or I will publish it and show you dry result in one of my next videos. But I tried this on some kind of denim canvas, and it is dried clear and shiny, so I hope that I will get the same with this wood. But we have to try. If we don't try, we don't know. So I hope that I can do sides later on, so I'll some of my paint will soak into this wood because it's not primed, but I hope that some will stay on top. We will see what will happen. I'm just exciting every time when I do some new experiments, because it's so exciting to see what will happen. I will just pop up these air bubbles a little bit, and I will use some violets and gold and pearl white. We will see how this will turn out. I will start with permanent blue violet. Oops. And next will be pearl white, because this wood will give some contrast. Now it's my binder is white now, but it will be transparent. So, and next I will add this permanent red violet. And dioxazine purple. just didn't do the spiral right again. And metallic gold. And permanent magenta. And I have a blob. And one more. And I will spray my paper towel with water. Not paper towel, paper napkin, I should say. And gently touch this. You don't have to press, or you shouldn't press. Maybe this is better word, because if you press too hard, you will not get nice results. So we'll just lift this first, and this edges. And if you can imagine how this will look on the wood, I can, but not completely. I hardly wait to see. I lift my paper towel a little weird, so, but I like this kind of I don't know, different, it's just different, but I like it. I don't mind if my wood is showing through here, because it will show through anyway. I will seal this, varnish it with one varnish when it will be dry, so I just want to have this flower on top of the wood. I hope that it will look nice when it will dry. It's a little weird shape, but if you look at it as a whole, it's not so weird. So has beautiful center with this white, you see, petal here. Sometimes just a little thing make a difference. So if this is if I will publish this before the dry results, this is it for today. And if I will not, because I didn't decide yet, I will show you dry result in one of my next videos. And if this will work okay, I hardly wait to do some little ones, round ones, maybe, I don't know. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye. Hello from Slovenia. So this is the, it's not completely dry, but I just want to show you how this will look. So you see, the binder turns out clear. Sorry about this. And here, you see, this is already dry. So this is how will this flower look, like a transfer on the wood. So I'm happy, and let me switch to my process video about this.